is set up the MCDU. We select the flight management and guidance computer. We check that they are the correct engines, that the database is valid, and we continue to the initialization page. Our route today will be Echo Bravo Bravo Romeo and Echo Bravo Bravo Romeo from Brussels to Brussels. We put it here. Cancel a few messages, return, and press Align IRS. Then we put in the flight number, which will be 320, and cruise flight level 20. That will be 2,000 feet. We go to the next page to see our weights. Our current gross weight is 52.75